The future is now. Robots are no longer science fiction, they are real and changing the world. From manufacturing to healthcare, robots are entering the workforce. This new era of automation is transforming the job market. The rise of robots is a topic of much debate. Some welcome the changes, others fear the consequences. To understand the impact, we need to look at how robots are used today. Robots are already hard at work in various industries around the world. In manufacturing, robots perform repetitive tasks with precision and efficiency. They assemble cars, electronics, and countless other products. This automation has increased productivity and reduced costs for businesses. In healthcare, robots assist surgeons in performing complex procedures. They also deliver medication and provide companionship to patients. Robots are even being used in agriculture to plant, harvest, and monitor crops. The use of robots is not limited to these industries. They are also finding applications in logistics, transportation, and customer service. As technology advances, robots are becoming more sophisticated and capable of performing a wider range of tasks. The increasing presence of robots in the workforce is a testament to their efficiency and versatility. However, it also raises questions about the future of human employment. Experts predict that automation will continue to transform the job market in the coming decades. While opinions vary on the extent of the impact, most agree that certain jobs are more susceptible to automation than others.
According to a study by the World Economic Forum, up to 85 million jobs could be displaced by automation by 2025. However, the same study also predicts that 97 million new jobs will emerge during the same period. These new jobs will require different skills and knowledge, highlighting the need for reskilling and upskilling.
Some experts believe that robots will eventually replace humans in many jobs, leading to mass unemployment. Others argue that automation will create new opportunities and industries that we cannot even imagine today.
The truth is that the future of work is uncertain. However, by understanding the trends and preparing ourselves for change, we can navigate this new landscape and harness the power of technology to our advantage.
While robots excel at repetitive and rule-based tasks, there are certain skills that remain uniquely human. These skills are essential for success in the 21st century job market. Creativity is one such skill. Robots can generate ideas based on existing data, but they lack the imagination and ingenuity to come up with truly novel solutions. Critical thinking is another crucial skill that robots struggle with. Humans are able to analyze information, identify biases, and make judgments based on incomplete data. Emotional intelligence is also becoming increasingly important in the workplace. As robots take over routine tasks, human workers will need to focus on building relationships, collaborating effectively, and providing empathy and support. These skills are not easily automated, and will continue to be in high demand in a job market influenced by robots. By developing these skills, we can ensure that we remain relevant and competitive in the future of work. Section 5. Learning new tricks. The rapid pace of technological change means that lifelong learning is no longer optional, it is essential. To thrive in the future of work, we need to be adaptable, curious, and willing to embrace new skills and knowledge. Traditional education systems are struggling to keep up with the demands of the digital age. Many jobs require specialized skills that are not taught in schools or universities. As a result, there is a growing need for alternative education and training programs. Online learning platforms, coding boot camps, and industry certifications are just a few examples of the many options available. These programs offer flexible and accessible ways to gain in-demand skills and stay ahead of the curve. By embracing lifelong learning, we can adapt to the changing job market and unlock new opportunities for growth and fulfillment. Section 6. The rise of the machines. The rise of robots in the workplace is not without its challenges. One of the most significant concerns is the potential for job displacement. As robots become more sophisticated, they are capable of performing tasks that were once thought to be exclusive to humans. This has led to fears that robots will eventually replace human workers altogether, leading to widespread unemployment and social unrest. While it is true that some jobs will inevitably be automated, it is important to remember that technology has always created new jobs, as it has destroyed old ones. The Industrial Revolution, for example, led to the decline of agricultural jobs, but also created countless new opportunities in manufacturing, transportation, and other industries. The key is to adapt to these changes and equip ourselves with the skills and knowledge that will be in demand in the future. By embracing lifelong learning and focusing on uniquely human skills, we can navigate the challenges and opportunities of the robotic revolution. Section 7. Adapting to automation. Adapting to a job market increasingly influenced by automation requires a proactive and multifaceted approach. Governments, businesses, and individuals all have a role to play in ensuring a smooth transition. Governments need to invest in education and training programs that equip workers with the skills needed for the jobs of the future. This includes supporting STEM education, promoting digital literacy, and providing retraining opportunities for displaced workers. Businesses also have a responsibility to invest in their workforce and help them adapt to the changing nature of work. This can include providing on-the-job training, supporting employees who want to upskill or reskill, and creating a culture of lifelong learning within the organization. Individuals, of course, need to take ownership of their own careers and be proactive in developing the skills and knowledge that will keep them relevant and employable. Section 8. New jobs, new opportunities. While automation will undoubtedly disrupt some industries and job roles, it will also create new opportunities and entirely new fields of work that we can only begin to imagine. As robots take over repetitive and manual tasks, humans will be freed up to focus on more creative, strategic, and interpersonal aspects of work. This will lead to the creation of new jobs in areas such as data analysis, software development, artificial intelligence, and user experience design. Moreover, automation has the potential to create entirely new industries that we cannot even fathom today. Just as the internet gave rise to social media, e-commerce, and countless other innovations, the widespread adoption of robots and artificial intelligence is likely to spark a new wave of technological advancements and economic growth. By embracing change and focusing on the skills that make us uniquely human, we can position ourselves to capitalize on the opportunities presented by this new era of automation. Section 9. The human touch. Despite the many advancements in robotics and artificial intelligence, there are certain qualities that remain uniquely human. These qualities, often referred to as soft skills, are becoming increasingly valuable in a job market increasingly influenced by technology. Empathy, communication, creativity, critical thinking, and problem solving are just a few examples of soft skills that are difficult for robots to replicate. These skills are essential for building relationships, navigating complex situations, and coming up with innovative solutions to challenges. In a world where robots can perform many tasks faster and more efficiently than humans, it is our ability to think critically, connect emotionally, and approach problems with a human touch that will set us apart. By developing and nurturing these uniquely human qualities, we can ensure that we remain relevant and valuable in a future where technology plays an increasingly prominent role. Section 10. A future with robots. The future of work is not about robots versus humans. It's about humans and robots working together to create a more efficient, productive, and equitable society. By embracing automation and focusing on our uniquely human strengths, we can harness the power of technology to improve our lives and create a brighter future for all. Robots can handle the repetitive, dangerous, and mundane tasks, freeing up humans to focus on more creative, fulfilling, and meaningful work. Imagine a world where robots assist doctors in performing complex surgeries with greater precision, where they help teachers personalize education for every student, and where they work alongside construction workers to build sustainable and resilient infrastructure. This is not a utopian fantasy, but a very real possibility if we approach the future of work with a spirit of collaboration, innovation, and a commitment to lifelong learning. Section 11. Hope for tomorrow. The rise of robots in the workforce is a transformative trend that presents both challenges and opportunities. While some jobs will inevitably be displaced, new jobs will emerge, and the skills that make us uniquely human will become even more valuable. By embracing lifelong learning, fostering creativity and critical thinking, and developing our emotional intelligence, we can navigate this new landscape and create a future where humans and robots work together to build a more prosperous and equitable world. The key is to approach this new era with a sense of optimism, adaptability, and a commitment to lifelong learning. By doing so, we can ensure that the future of work is one where technology empowers us to reach our full potential and create a better world for generations to come.